the Almighty, no? For another day in our lives, for the gift of life, no? Oo. Tungkol dyan sa submission of our courtesy resignation, it it is actually a directive from our new secretary, Secretary Vince Dizon, no? Na siyang pumalit sa ating former secretary, Secretary Manny Bunuan. It is actually the first order of the day, directing all DPWH officials, top officials, no, from the USEC to the ASEC to the bureau directors, regional directors, down to the district engineers to submit their courtesy resignation for his action, appropriate action, no? And of course, maraming nabigla din, no? And there are those who ask kung if ever, dalawa lang kasi yan, no? It's either the secretary will accept your courtesy resignation or hindi, no? So ang naalala nila is that if ever your submitted courtesy resignation will be accepted, kung ano mangyayari, will that mean the end of your career, sabi nila. Hindi naman natin alam, no? It will all depend to our new secretary. And I also saw the interview. One media friend asked the secretary kung baka magkakaroon ng void, no? Na magre-resign from the USEC to the district engineers. Ang sabi naman ng secretary is that we only have to submit our courtesy resignation and then status quo pa rin until wala pang action ang ating secretary. We will still remain to be functioning as the district engineers or the regional directors until such time na may action ang ating sekretarya.
So nakasubmit na po natin resignation to natin?
Of course. Actually, the first information that nakita namin is that yung mga nakapost na directive of the secretary, no? Yun na nga, directing all of us to submit our courtesy resignation. And then there was also a call from the regional office, the regional office in La Union, for us to do so. And they told us to submit it kaagad, as soon as possible. So we submitted a copy, yung sa Outlook, yung sa email, and then kaninang umaga, since meron earlier scheduled na pagpunta sa La Union, pinasabay ko na rin yung submission of the original copy or the hard copy.
So
Actually, after our submission, my submission of actually, no, of my courtesy resignation, I already scheduled before knowing of the directive of the secretary. I already scheduled a MANCOM meeting since it was Monday yesterday, no? And regular naman yan na nag-hold kami ng MANCOM meeting during Mondays. So nung nasabit na namin, during the opening of our MANCOM meeting, siyempre mabigat din yan. But I told the members of the MANCOM that despite yung mga nangyayari sa ating ahensya ngayon, the image of is not that good, no? It was actually tarnished by these issues and concerns about the implementation of flood control projects. But sabi ko sa kanila that we still have, yung katulad ng dating ginagawa namin, that we still have to work hard, we still have to continue doing our mandate and try our very best to serve the public with the same hard work, dedication, and integrity.
Sir,
Of course, after the meeting with the MANCOM yesterday, I also called a meeting sa lahat ng ating mga fieldmen, no? Those who are in the ground, yung nag-implement ng projects, our project engineers, and of course, their section chiefs. And sabi ko sa kanila that more than ever, we should be very careful with the implementation of our project. Hindi man tayo maging perfect, but we should try our very best to implement our projects na malapit sa standards na set by the DPWH and specifications, no? And sabi ko pa rin sa kanila, I told this during the flag raising ceremony, sa lahat, hindi lang sa mga project engineers and members of the MANCOM, but sa lahat ng members of the DPWH Ilocos Norte 2nd District Engineering Office family na higit kailanman or dati na, alam ko namang dati na kaming united. But this time, we should be more united. Sabi ko, we should be more tightly work together. No, we should have each other's backs. Sabi ko, suporta tayo. And we continue with our mandate. Sabi ko, with the same dedication and the same integrity.